welcome back. So I'm going to be giving you guys a temporary nursery tour. I say temporary because we are in the process of moving. So we are selling our condo, we're buying a house. So basically my baby will have a whole new nursery in like the next few weeks. But I'm gonna show you guys what I have so far. So this room was previously my husband's game room. The walls are gray because the entire condo was gray. We did repaint the wall green. So like this main wall we painted green and the rest of them we painted white. But this is just kind of a before video of what it looked like. And this is the nursery now. So there's that green wall. We painted the rest of the walls white. And as you can see, I just did a lot of earth tone colors. Yellow, cream, green, white.
Oh, wow.
How you doing?
Oh. Wow.
Okay. We never met. I have to make sure everything level. I don't like anything. I don't like nothing crooked.
Oh, ain't nothing crooked.
They had my husband to come and hang the mirror for me and the curtain rod, and he had to leave. And so.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be giving you all a tour of my baby's nursery. So we're just gonna get started. So when you first come in, I just have this little gray basket. This gray basket has served all kind of purposes. I didn't know what I wanted to do with it, and I didn't know what I wanted to do with it, so I figured it would just be a great little place to store his blankets. So I have his blankets in there. Here is my main attraction right there. Here's the whole reason why we have a nursery. Say hey. Say hey to mommy subscribers. Say hey. So next to it is his bed. So his room has a Dr. Seuss theme to it. He actually has a Dr. Seuss fitted sheet, but that needs washing, so we switched it to the gray sheet while we watched the Dr. Seuss sheet. Right above his bed is a mirror and the little butterflies going around it. You don't want me to vlog? You don't want me to vlog? You don't want mommy to vlog? You don't want mommy to vlog? Huh? But yeah, so there's a mirror right above it and some butterflies. I don't really understand the butterflies. My realtor, she just kind of decorated as a surprise. So we walked in and like all of this was done. She added like a little sun pillow, and he already had this little headrest that came with one of his blankets. On the side of his bed is his dirty clothes hamper. Up on the wall, she put all these little Dr. Seuss things on there. So it says create, wonder, imagine, play, and learn, which is also supposed to have him learn the letters, because if you get closer up to it, like wonder, wash, owl, O, N, necktie, and so on. Over here we have a rocking chair, which at first I didn't even think I was going to ever even use a rocking chair for him. But this comes in handy. My husband uses it more than me, but it gets used daily. Like we rock him to sleep in it. We do have a charger right here because sometimes we can spend a while in here. Put him. What do you want to say? What do you want to say? What do you want to say? I'm not gonna hold you through this, because mommy arm gonna give out. Yeah, what do you have to say? What do you have to say? Yeah. You so sleepy. Why do you fight your sleep? Say hey to mommy subscribers. Say hey to mommy subscribers. Hey. Like I said, we can spend some time in here. So there is a charger. It's a pretty long charger. Here are his curtains. So they are an ombre. Let's see me close it so you can see it better. They're an ombre of yellow and gray. I close them when he takes his naps during the day, so it won't be so bright in here. Yeah. Yeah. And then next to the curtains is his changing table. So on top of his changing table, we have the mat that we change him on, and the ointment, wipes, and then we have a home pod. So we play a womb sound noise. It sounds like a heartbeat in water when he goes to sleep. So we just tap it and it'll start playing. Right above it is his name, Amari Paul. Again, butterflies. Not really sure where my realtor was going with the butterflies, but hey, whatever. Down below in the changing table, we have his diapers, we have wipes, and then a replacement thing of Andy ointment. Down here, it's just all kind of little things down here. There's his books, there's vapor rub, his nose suction, Malicon. There's just all kind of like little things in here. These are my breast pads, so you know my milk leaks, so my milk leaks, it'll catch it in my shirt. This is just like a little safety kit that we got for the baby shower. So I didn't do a baby book for him. I did like this little chest, and I'm gonna end up actually getting his name put on the top of it. But in here I have his birth certificate. I have his, so the midwife actually came to my house to do like his newborn exam. So this is like his newborn exam stuff on there. I have cards from my baby shower, and I got some really cute cards for my baby shower. So like here's one, like all of them were unique. They weren't just like plain cards. Like I got some really neat cards for my baby shower. Yeah, here's another one. I really love this one too. Yeah, baby shower cards. Pictures. So I've been taking Polaroids of him. Yeah, his first dollar. So one of his aunts got him $1, so this is just his first dollar that's in there. And then it's just all kind of pictures in here. Yeah, look at my screaming baby on this picture. And then like just everyone that came to visit him, I took pictures of them. This is when I took his 2-month pictures. So blurry. But yeah, just everyone that came to visit him. This is when me and my sister were pregnant at the same time. Why is it so blurry? But yeah. So I just have all types of Polaroids in here of him. I just try to like take like little Polaroid milestones. This is when he was a little baby. I'm gonna end up showing y'all like every picture. This is a picture I took yesterday when he turned 3 months. But yeah, so that's enough for that. So yeah, like I said, instead of a baby book, I'm doing like a little baby chest. Okay. Next to the training table is his ball pit. I put him in here like ever so often just to kind of introduce him to it. But he can't really play in it yet until he can sit up. So there's his little ball pit. And then next to the ball pit is his dresser. So he has 2 picture frames. I need to put pictures in them, but as of right now they're empty. And then this is just like some little decor that my realtor bought when she was decorating, and she left out his little shoes because it matches the color scheme of the room. And then right here is just a certificate of birth with his finger, not his finger, but his footprint on it. And then for his clothes, so it kind of looks a mess because I'm in the process of going through and getting rid of like all of his stuff that's too little. So like this was newborn clothes, but now this is 0 to 3 month, and then these are 3 months over here. And then all of his pants and shorts are here. Like I said, it's a mess because I'm in the process of getting rid of everything that's too small and replacing it with bigger stuff. The second drawer has his socks, hats. I got him these for when he starts crawling, because downstairs is all hardwood. He'll be fine upstairs, but I got him these for when he's crawling downstairs. This stuff here is all like 9-month stuff. And then here is his blankets and swaddles. I don't swaddle him anymore, but I do use them as his blankets. And then the last drawer, this is just all of his bibs. I love these bandana bibs. I got these off of Amazon, but I love these bandana bibs. But these are all of his bibs, and then his washcloths for when we give him a bath. Down here on the floor, his tummy time toys. So this one, I just lay him on his back and he reaches up and plays with the different toys up front. And then this one here, I lay him on his stomach. You soaking up your bed? You drooling so much. So much drool. So I gave in and picked him up. So this is his closet. So this is my husband's diaper bag. That is his spend the night bag. So like when he stays with my mom, I'll pack his stuff in that bag. That brown box right there is actually another ball pit. The person that bought him the ball pit bought 2, and they was like, just keep it. Just keep it. So he has 2 ball pits. So when I redo his room, when he gets a little bit older, I'll probably have both ball pits in there. And then this is like a chair for him. I'll probably have him start eating his food on it. I guess we could use it as a high chair. I didn't even think about that. But he's not ready for it yet. He can't sit up on his own. So once he can sit up, we'll graduate him to this. Diapers right there. Here's some size 1 diapers that he can no longer fit. I'm giving those to someone. And then all of his wipes are up under the diapers. And then here's his closet. Doesn't have many clothes because he's been in onesies pretty much since I've had him. But we did go shopping for him some summer clothes. So this is kind of some of the stuff I got. I really want to keep him in neutrals. I love neutrals. So as you can see, everything is like white, tan, green, brown, a few blues. But just kind of keep it neutral with him. And then just up above, all of the clothes that are too small, I've been collecting them in these white boxes. And I got these white boxes from IKEA. And that's pretty much it. These Pampers and Wipes I'm going to give to someone as well because they're Pampers brand and we use Honest, and I just don't want to change up what he uses. Somebody got those for him. So guys, that's his nursery tour. I don't know how long I'm gonna actually keep his room like this. I'm probably keep it like this at least through like maybe like he turns 1. So as I was saying, I don't know how long I'm gonna keep his room like this. Like, I like his room, but this wasn't really my vision. So like I'm grateful. I love it. Like, she did a great job. And if I was at somebody else's house, I'm like, oh my gosh, this is like beautiful. I love this. But the reason why there's like a lot of black and white stuff, so like his hamper is white and gray and black, and then the balls are white, gray, and black. Those are things that I got before she ever told me that she wanted to do his nursery. So his room, so his original room, like if you look at earlier on this video, he had an olive wall. So his only colors in his room were going to be olive and mustard yellow, and everything else was going to be black, white, and gray. So I kind of had a whole nother vision for how I wanted his nursery. Like, I was going to do like fake plants and just give it like a cozy, neutral, mod type of vibe. Like, that's what I wanted. Like, I did not have like all these colors in mind. Don't get me wrong, again, I keep saying I do like the nursery, but it wasn't my vision. So like when I first walked in, I was like, oh my gosh, but I was also like, oh my gosh, like and I thought she knew that because when she saw how the original nursery was. Like, she saw the olive wall, she saw the yellow, she saw the white, she saw the black and white. So I thought, like, I almost started to ask her like, what is your plan? But I thought that like once she saw like kind of what we had, then she was gonna go off of that. Like I said, don't get me wrong, his nursery's great, but at some point I am going to redo it because I still want to do what I wanted to do. I still want to kind of like create my vision that I had for it. So yeah. But guys, this is Nursery Tour. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.